How to enable Face ID with a mask on iPhone. Are you tired of removing your mask every time you want to unlock your iPhone? If your iPhone supports Face ID with a mask, you can set it up to recognize your face even when the lower part of your face is covered. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to enable this feature. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Settings. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Go to Face ID and Passcode. Scroll down and tap Face ID and Passcode. Your iPhone will ask you to enter your passcode. Enter it to continue. Step 3. Turn on Face ID with a mask. Now look for the option called Face ID with a mask. Tap the switch next to it to turn it on. Step 4. Set up Face ID with a mask. Your iPhone may ask you to set up Face ID again. Tap Use Face ID with a mask, then follow the instructions on the screen. Slowly move your head around as your iPhone scans your face. Remember to look directly at your iPhone during the setup process. For the best results, make sure your eyes and the area around them are clearly visible. Face ID with a mask focuses more on the area around your eyes, so avoid covering your eyes with glasses or other objects during setup. And that's how you can enable Face ID with a mask on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more useful iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.